Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're gonna talk about interquartile range and outliers of a box plot. So we know that the interquartile range, that is IQR, is simply the difference of third quartile and first quartile. This means Q3 minus Q1. Here Q3 is third quartile and Q1 is first quartile. Now, so to find out the quartile of this data set, we first need to write this dataset in the ascending order. So the dataset in ascending order, so it will be simply, we're gonna write the smallest number first, so it will be 5, then it will become 6, then 7, and then after that 8, then we're gonna write it as 9, then after 9 it will be 11, then it will be 13, then it will be 14, after that it will be 15, and after that it will be 19 and 28. Now we have here total number of data, that is 11 if we count all these numbers. Now before calculating the quartiles, we need to calculate the median. Since here total number of digits here are 11, so the median will be 6 data value. So here the 6 data value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can see that 11. So our median is 11. Now to calculate quartile, we know that the quartiles are the median of the lower and upper data value. We know that the first quartile is the median of lower data part and the third quartile is the median of upper data part. So to calculate first quartile, that is Q1, we wanna see the median of this data. So here we can see that total number of digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this means the third digit will be our median, that is quartile 1. So here Q1 is 7. Similarly, if we see this upper data part, we see that the median of this data set will be 15 because total number of data digits are 5. So the third digit will be median. So we can see that the Q3 is 15. So our IQR, that is interquartile range, will be Q3 minus Q1, and this means it will be 15 minus 7 means simply 8. So this is our interquartile range. So now we have our interquartile range. Now the second thing we're gonna calculate is outliers. So to calculate outliers, we know that we have a formula, that is our data values which lie above this formula are outliers. So our formula is Q1 minus 1.5 IQR and Q3 plus 1.5 IQR. So the data values which lies outside of this interval are outliers. So to find out this interval, we need to find out first Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. So our Q1 is, here we can see that our Q1 is 7. So it will be 7 minus our IQR is 8. It will be multiplied with 1.5. So it will be 7 minus 1.5 into 8. It will be 12. So this means simply minus 5. And upper range of this interval will be Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. So it means we have Q3, that is 15. So it will be 15 plus 1.5 into 8, and it will be 15 plus 12. This means 27. So our interval is simply minus 5 and 27. So coming back to this data set, we have 20 set which lies outside of the interval, that is minus 5 and 27. So this means 28 is our outlier. So now we're gonna remove this 28. So the maximum value of our data value now, maximum will be 19 and minimum will be 5. And we know that our median is 11, Q1 is 7, Q3 is 15. So now we can plot a box plot using this data set. So we have minimum 5, Q1 is 7, median is 11, and Q3 is 15, and now maximum is, that is 19. So if we plot a line, our values will be here 0, then 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, and 28. Now we know that our minimum is 5, so 5 will be here, so it will be 0.1. Then our Q1 is 7, so we're gonna write it here, so it will be like this. Our median is 11, so we're gonna plot it here. Our quartile third is 15, so it will be here. And then our maximum is 19, so it will be here. Now we're gonna join this and this, and after plotting like this, it will be our box plot. So we can write it as a minimum value. This is our Q1, this is our median, this point, and this point is our Q3, and this point is our maximum. And here this point is 28, so that is outlier. So this is how we plot the outlier using a box plot. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.